Welcome back to another Excel how-to video. Today we're going to learn how to concatenate different cells in Excel, and I totally did not practice how to say that word 30 times before this video. But anyway, concatenate basically means to link together, and so if we have some cells here in Excel, basically what concatenate does, it just puts them together in one cell. And so we do that by using a formula. So I have some names here, and I have Jacob and Gray. And the way I can link those together, I can do an equal sign, and two formulas are going to pop up. And it's going to be concat and then concatenate. These formulas do basically the same thing. We're actually going to do concat. And I'm going to select the first name, and I'm going to do a comma and do the last name. And then I'm going to do enter. And then it puts the names together for me. Now, if you notice, it made it one name instead of two separate names, right? There's no spacing between the names. And so to fix that issue, all you do is you go over to your formula, and what you're going to do is you're going to add a quotation mark, a space, and then a quotation mark, and then another comma. And what that's going to tell Excel is that you want to add a third element, so to speak. You're going to concatenate a third element into that cell. And then hit enter, and as we see, the names are separated. And I can just drag it down, and there we go. All those names are perfectly formatted, just the way we want it. Now, another thing we can do is, instead of having to actually type out the formula, we can do this. We can do an equal sign, and then I will select this city, for example, and instead of doing the formula, I can do an ampersand, and then select the other cell that I want, and then hit enter, and then it combines that for us. But as we see again, it's not formatted correctly. We need a comma between Florence and SC, and the way we do that is we just add the quotations like I said, and then we'll do a comma, and then a quotation, and then another ampersand, and hit enter, and it has formatted that for us. Drag it down, and there we go. Space that out for us. If it's ever like this, I'm sure you already know this, but if it's ever two bunched together like this, you can just double click, and it'll widen that out for you. So I've showed you concatenate, and I've showed you concat. I'm going to show you one more formula that does basically the same thing. It is good to keep in mind, though, that the concatenate formula only allows you to do up to 30 different cells at a time. So just keep that in mind. But the next formula does not have that issue. So the next formula is going to be text join. And so the way this works is you have these three options here once you bring up the function arguments window. So you have a delimiter. Now, a delimiter is like a character or something that you put in between each of the text items. So for our example, that's going to be a space. So I'm going to go do this, space, do this. Ignore empty. Yeah, if there's any empty cells, we don't want it to pay any attention to that. So we're going to put that as true. And then for the text, we're going to do the first, and then text 2 is going to be the last. Hit OK. And as we see, it does it again, just like before. It's just another way to do the same thing, but this allows you a little more flexibility in how you want to and how you set that up. As always, thank you guys for watching. We do hope you will like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments on the video, anything about these formulas or anything Excel related, please do comment down below. We do read your comments, and we do appreciate them very, very much. Please do comment down below. You never know when we may make a whole video just on your comment or just on your idea. But as always, thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we hope you have a great day.
Hey, thanks so much for watching our video. Now, before you go, how would you like to get free access to tons of Excel content that is designed to help make your life easier and your business better? Free Excel tutorials, Excel PDF guides, mini courses, and even a book I'm writing right now. Well, if you don't want to miss out on those opportunities, make sure you check out the description of this video. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification icon so that you can stay up to date on all the stuff we're doing here on YouTube. Oh, and by the way, my name is Colton Coffin, and I am the founder and CEO here at Custom Excel Spreadsheets, where we help business owners and professionals get more done using tools that do exactly what they need. We help you get organized and automate tasks that save you time and money, and build collaborative tools that allow your team to perform and to engage at a higher level. And we also create some awesome visualizations that just bring your data to life and help it to tell a story that is meaningful and compelling. So I look forward to serving you with more content in the future, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks.